Hello friends, welcome to How to Rocket once again. So in this video, we are going to talk about something every creator, freelancer, or business owner should be using. That's a Canva Brand Kit. If you are still manually picking colors, searching for logos, and guessing fonts every time you design, you are wasting time and killing your brand consistency. So, what is Canva Brand Kit? First of all, you have to understand that it is a feature inside Canva. As you can see here, you can see click on brand, and here you are in the brand kit. So it is a feature inside Canva that lets you store all your brand assets in one place: your logos, colors, fonts, brand wise, photos, graphics, icon charts, and you can also create your own new category by clicking here if you have a paid version. Think of it like your brand's control center. Now, what does it actually offers? Now, here you can see it offers logos, colors, fonts, brand wise, photos, graphics, icons. Here you can see this option, which shows that it is not free at all. Add logos to be instantly recognizable. Represent your brand with the right logos ready to be used across various contexts and designs. When I click here, try it free for 14 days. It was it will ask you to buy the Canva Pro plan. Where you start from $500 per to be $500 per month, and Canva Business start from 679 per month. Uh, you Canva Pro. Okay. You did one go to medium plus premium model video that limit 8,000 plus premium for the premium template. High AI kit in it for better design, relate the part design and productivity tools like what click background to more and it turn to type on brand designs every time with up to 5 brand kits plus content planner extra storage. You can link up to 10 of your ad account for real time and creativity insights with Canva now. So by this plan, you will get 14 days free. So the first 14 days will not count in your plan in the first month. So yeah, to use this brand kit, most of the features is paid. So here you can see only this colors option is free. Here you can just create your own palette of colors. Like here you can add colors, which of whatever color is that. You can see the code of that code at the bottom. So once you create your own palette of color, you don't need to again select that color when you are working with your business brand logos or posters or anything that you are using. So this is how these colors uh, made through this pan kit, and you can see this color is made for my brand, and for the next time this palette will directly appear to my list of colors in brand kit. By using this feature inside Canva, which lets you store all your brand assets in one place, your logos, your colors, your fonts, everything that defines your brand identity. That's it. Your brand kit is ready if you use it. As I said, I just shown you how you can actually start your brand kit designs. And I started from color and I made my color here with the code you can see here. Mm, Let me tell you why this matters. Consistency builds trust. When people see the same colors, same style, same vibe, they remember you. Like suppose you are thinking about Nike logo, people recognizes that brand due to their logo and color. This way you can keep your style same for your business or your logos. So if you are serious about looking professional and saving time, stop design randomly. Set up your Canva Brand Kit once and let it do the heavy lifting forever. So yeah, that's the video. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.